So guys, when you are done with model and analysis, the next thing to do is detailing. So usually I export, I would have detail, I'll show you how I detail my own slabs. I come to drawings and reports. I will click on Prota detail. It will tell me to save. I will save it and wait for it to load. So now Prota detail loads. The first thing I usually do is I'll click on auto generate. So I don't want to export everything. Let's say I just want to export first floor first. I'll come to slab. I'll come to options. This is how my options will look. Under option 2, I choose show number of bars in the rebar label. Here I mark this hash, stuff like this. This is how it looks. Down now, import it. Good. So now that I've imported my floor, like the slab, so the beams, so I now take it to AutoCAD, export DXF load. That when it loads, the file will open. There's a folder for the drawings. Usually I like to rename. Maybe I can just write FF, just a habit. Down now, left click it. So when I left click it, I have my templates already here. I can just copy this one first, and it's one I want to work on. I'll copy to my template. So this is how it's looking now. My intention is to detail it and make it look this way, much cleaner like this. I usually put my bottom reinforcements like B1, B2 on a page and top reinforcements on another page, just like this. It makes my work look clean. So the next thing I'll do here, I like to turn off layers that I don't need. I'll click on turn on. I'll click on turn off layers. But before then, let me increase the size of this. Let's see. Quick properties. If yours is not turned, if you don't have these quick properties, you left click this customization here and you can turn on anything you want here. My quick properties is on. Then I'll select this. My here, this, the height of this levels is 100. Maybe I'll select this one, select similar, and see it up here. I increase it to 170. Yeah. Then the dimensions here, select, that's a length, cut length, select that. Let me increase it to 150 and see. Alright, it's fine. I'll turn off this. So now let me turn off layers. I want to start with the top reinforcement, so I'll turn every other thing. Notice that if I turn on Control Z, I'll leave these labels, because if I turn it off, they're going to turn off things that I don't want to be turned off. So I'll leave it at that. Alright, I've turned off every other thing that I don't need. So I'll leave it like that. Let me copy it, make a copy of it. Let me just keep it here. Like I say, turn on layers. Everything has been turned back on. So I begin to delete some of those things that I don't need. Starting from this. These red labels are for bottom, so I have to delete it. I didn't turn it off, because if I turn off this cycle here showing the extent of reinforcement will also go. So I'll delete it manually. Instead of deleting everything manually, I turn off layer and copy. I made a copy. Select, I can select this two. I like to move it down. Try to see this one, they are double here. Can delete one. I'll take this out. This goes. Okay. Shows 5 numbers at this length. This for this. Like this here, if you like, you can join. That is detailer's choice. And join that. Measure the whole length and write. This is 2450 plus 300 37, and delete this out. So some stuff like that, just some personal to make the work much clearer. And delete one of them. Have that. If you like, say you can even delete this one here. Just make your work more readable, more clean. So this one can serve for that. This delete by mistake. Copy this one to this place. Maybe here. Move it plus the length. Can do the same thing here. Make it the same length. Let's see. Yeah. So that's for that. Or you can extend it to this level so that you can serve for both 2 point is 2.7 or 2.7. Yeah, this is was 2.7, not 3. So, so have to be careful not to over under detail. So this can go making your work look neater. 2.85 plus 3, 31, 50. Can delete one of these. This is just for top reinforcement. It's harder, so I do it first. So that the people on site will not find it hard. These ones are 2, you can delete 1. Something, yeah. Here too, you can breeze this. With 400 instead. 31 plus 300, 34. I'm just trying to make it look neater, you know. Or I'll stick it here. I want you can change, you know. Let's say you want this one's out too. Oh, okay. Here too, you can make it straight. 285 plus 300. 250 to 150. Let me just put 300. Okay, and this looks clean enough. Very easy to read during construction. Now we can move to bottom reinforcement, turn off layers, or those top. This one no need to put, I don't put the length because it's going to cover the whole space. So this one I leave the length to help with the cuttings. So all I do here is just delete these first. Eleven. Sometimes if it's the same length you can delete some. I have 1, 5. Sometimes I do move it. Mm. share that too. Can delete one. Yep. Mm. This is the same. I don't need to move itself. Just same line down. Cause it counts same numbers. All of them are 5. So I can move it to a line here. Delete this. Only have that remaining. I won't delete this. Remaining just 1. Some of these things depends on how much time you have on your hand uh, to make it look good. Mm. That's fine. This is 2. I'll delete this. So I prefer this method. Makes the work very easy to read and it's acceptable by the authorities. So go with it. So I think we're done with slabs. So even if you have 10 floors, it's the same way you do. I'll just pause and do for the next floor for myself. So in the next video, I also show you my own process. This is my own way of doing them, of detailing. Then from here I can dimension it. We can details beam the nest. So thank you for watching. Keep subscribing to my channel for more. And if you have design, civil engineering works, I'm always available for us to work on it together. If you want to contact me for structural design, you pay and I do the job. Thank you for watching.